Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another keto video, and today I'm talking about all these studies coming out. I did a video a couple of days ago, but I want to follow up on that video of the keto is going to shorten your lifespan. That you need to have a moderate intake of carbs. The keto is a lower carb, high fat diet. That's saying it will kill you faster, and you need to have a moderate carb, and you'll live longer. So I don't know why they post these studies, because any person will comment simply sit there and say, okay, so I'm avoiding sugar. We all can agree that sugar is bad for you. We all could agree that sugar is not good for you. Your body don't need sugar. Sweets is okay once in a while, but sugar's not. We all can agree that carbs are not good for you. We all agree that. It spikes insulin. And insulin won't help you lose weight. That's why you see people that work out 5 times a week don't lose no weight. Or you see a person that eats twice a week, don't exercise, and they lose weight. You ever thought of that? Like I worked out 3 times a week, didn't lose no weight. I am not working out and losing weight. It's backwards, right? I worked out. I worked out for like an hour. I work on Saturdays after work. I go in and go to the gym, work out for an hour and a half, take pre-workout and take some CLAs and trying to cut belly fat and do push-ups and treadmill for 35 minutes, 3-4 times a week. I maybe lost maybe 2-3 pounds. Now I'm losing more weight without even working out. But they want you, because I have a low carb diet, but they want you to increase the carbs. So they want to eat more sugar, pasta, rice, waffles, pancakes, cookies, Oreos. So they want you to eat more carbohydrates. Now I wonder why. One of the reasons I think why is the companies see that the keto diet is catching on. It's catching on pretty fast. It really is. Because the diet is not very hard to do. You know what I'm saying? So, I think the diet's catching on. And people who produce bread, pasta, cereals, sodas, they're really losing some money. That's what I think. That's what I think. I think the people who provide beef and pork and chicken, cheese, dairy, salads, all the vegetables, I think all their money is going up. And the people who sell the high carbohydrates crap, the money is going down a little bit. Because the keto diet is really hot right now. I mean, really, really hot. So I think they put these studies together just to scare people who want to do keto. Oh, it can kill you. That shit can't kill you, man. I mean, like I said before, I worked out 3 times a week. I ain't lose no weight. Now I haven't worked out none this month. This is the end of the month. And I'm losing more weight. I'm not even working out. So my carbs are lower. I feel better. So if you're on the fence about keto, don't pay attention to these studies. Don't pay attention to these studies. Go to user, and there's so many people who lost 60 pounds, 70 pounds, not exercising. They're not exercising. Most diets require you to work out 3-4 times a week. I'm not even exercising and losing weight. People who lost 600 pounds a week, not even working out. And some scientists and these big companies, they're losing money. I think they're really losing money. Like I buy the Powerade Zero Sugar. I go on the BJ's to get a case of them. That pallet was low. The regular Powerade was stacked up high. Like more people are getting the Powerade Zero versus the regular Powerade. And now, back then, the 4 kilo was big. Nobody drunk sugar-free Powerade. I never drunk sugar-free Powerade because it's not sweet. Now they're advertising more Powerade Zero. in their little booklet or whatever, because everybody's buying more. So I'm going to the slide looking like, oh man, this thing getting kind of low. Like, more people are paying attention to sugar, and they're not putting that stuff in their body no more. So these companies got to do something. You got to stick with the times, man. You got to do something, man, because these keto diets are catching on. My cousin told me the day she was doing it. I'm on keto diet too. Everybody's doing it. Once you do it for a month, you don't want to go back. I don't want to go back to drinking. I don't want to go back eat while I was eat. I don't. So once you go keto, you don't want to go. You don't want to stop. You don't. I truly do not want to go back to eating the bad crap I was eating. I don't. I don't want it. It just, I don't crave it. I don't want it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want it. You know, maybe I get to my weight goal. I might go up in carbs a little bit. So 30, I'm about to go to 60. But I don't want it. So try to debunk those studies coming out now. Like, there's like more and more studies coming out that keto will kill you, and keto will shorten your lifespan by 4 years. Don't put this to the hype. I say do the diet for yourself. Try it for a month and see how better you feel. Eat avocados. Eat a bunless. Go to Wendy's and get a bunless burger. And really, now my point, I don't miss the bread. I don't miss it. I don't miss it. I go to the burger place, grab in lettuce. I love it. It tastes good to me. Salads taste better to me. I wasn't a big salad eater. I never liked a lot of vegetables. But now, I kind of crave a salad with my burger now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't crave fries. I want a burger. And I can have blue cheese with it. Because blue cheese don't have maybe 1 or 2 carbs in it. So I can have blue cheese in it. And what kind of diet I can have? A salad with blue cheese, a lettuce wrapped burger with mayonnaise, mustard, grilled onions, grilled mushrooms, grilled onions, grilled mushrooms, bacon. I can still lose weight. You know what I'm saying? Like, who does that? Like, seriously. People got, and then if you want to drink beer, Bud Light, I don't know the carbs off the top of my head, but I think maybe 7 8 carbs per bottle. So, you got 40 carbs, 30 carbs intake. You could have a couple beers, have some hard liquor, and still lose some weight. It's crazy, man. It's crazy how this stuff is. So, anybody who's nervous about the keto diet, don't understand it, or don't know what's going on, hey, all I gotta say is this: try it for yourself. See how much better you feel. I'm losing more weight faster, and I'm not even working out. That's honest to God. I haven't worked out about 3 weeks. I'm losing weight. I get up feeling great. So this is my keto video of the shorten your lifespan BS that's going on online. These so-called scientists or whoever they are just saying they'll kill you. No, yeah, this diet not gonna kill you. I feel wonderful. You know, so comment below if you want to comment. We can dialogue about the keto diet, how long you've been on it. And look at my comments in my previous videos. There's people who've been on it for 3-4 months, losing 30 40 pounds, feeling great, off medication. You know, come on. The proof is in my knee, my wedding ring that couldn't fit 2 months ago. Now I can wear it. My left knee that I bowled on, and my knee doesn't hurt no more. The pain is pretty much gone. It's due to the diet, and it's due to the diet. So, it is crazy. Let me know what you think. This time for the xking.com. Thanks for watching.